As per usual, I just did it again. 6:30 in the morning. I'm going to bed. Editing while watching some Oh My Gosh TV, or the Oh My Gosh, I should say in this case. It's Omar. It is very distracting.
Oh, I see an alligator.
That's how much editing I'm doing. My phone's off.
I'm just kidding.
I'll get her done. You will get the video, don't worry. You gotta love walking into your bathroom because you gotta go and you gotta open the door. And yes, the door is closed. Why? Because of this. And you get hit by a wall of stinky, ugly smoke. Because the thing here in my bathroom is that does not suck out air. If the person who smokes has their window open, the smoke just goes through the vent and right through to other apartment, i.e. mine. And that is reason number one why my bath. Yeah, sorry. Little battery notification. That is why I have my door closed. Reason number one. Reason number two, the hot air or cold air, depending the time of year, doesn't come into my apartment. It's been a blah, boring day today. That's why I didn't record much. So I do apologize that my life is kind of boring. I don't drive. I don't go anywhere. Pretty much just stay at home trying to take care of me and my house. When I do go out and I do things, I do bring you along though. So this is life. This is life for me. Guess what? Can you see that? I didn't fall asleep on the futon tonight. I'm going to bed. Good night and God bless. So, it's about 20 to 10 in the morning. I know I look dressed and all, but I'm going to go have a shower. My alarm clock this morning wasn't my alarm clock on my other phone. My alarm clock? It was the fire alarm going off. So yeah, I had to quickly get dressed. So yeah, I'm gonna have a shower, and since I haven't worn this for very long, I'm putting it back on because I'm gonna go shopping. I'm just gonna sweat in it anyways. I have greasy hair. I don't want to go out with greasy hair. Those days are gone. They're long gone. So I'm gonna go and shower. So I'm showered and ready to go. But I thought it'd be smart to since just over a week ago, so on April 26th, my pharmacy filled one of my prescription but gave me a week's worth of medication. I've had it happen before. It's usually because they don't have enough to give me the full month's worth. Yeah, I get it by the month or 3 months. So what they do is they give you a week or so, and it gives them time to get more, which is fine. I don't have an issue with it. I was planning on leaving like right away. It's 5 to 12. But no, I can't do that because, since I called and requested the difference, which I'm glad I did because they probably wouldn't have filled it. Now I'm looking at 2. You need 2 hours to fill a prescription. which means it's going to be a quick grocery shop, especially if I find out that Dad gets off at 3 and he picks up Mom's Mother's Day gift. It's going to be a great day, great day. So I was kind of hoping to go, come back, eat, and then if it's okay. Now I get to be hungry the next 2 hours or risk having the, I don't want to leave now, issue later. Love it. Just absolutely love it. Joyful, joyful. I yawning, tear it up, and I won't sleep. Yes, I had a bowl of cereal. Shut that up. The stomach, there's nothing in it except for shreddies. Yeah.
I really liked the pink stashing in this book. I was hoping to find some pink in my stash.
My sewing room.
To some of the blocks that I have made.
I'm trying to kill some time. So it's after 3 o'clock. I've yet to receive a text message from the pharmacy to say, your prescription has been filled. At this point, just about any real good deals that I was hoping to get on like the lunch meats, the cheeses, you know, the specials that are in like the ground, the chicken, the whatevers, they're fairly picked over. So there's not much point in going. Especially since I could just hear from my dad any minute from now to say, oh, I got your book, I'm on my way. Which means I'll just be waiting till tomorrow. Which also means no popcorn again tonight, because Nina's been out. The joys of a boring life. So I finally got the text at about 20 after 4 that my script was ready. Nice. All the good stuff's gone at that point, I know that. So I'll be picking it up tomorrow. I ain't wasting my time going over there and then go to the grocery store and pay the bigger prices. I can't afford that. Heck no, I can't afford that. So it's gonna wait till tomorrow. Kinda works out. I got a migraine now anyways. Head still hurts. But I'm doing better than I was earlier. And I'll be doing better later than I am doing now. It's 5 to 2. I'm going to bed. Good night and God bless. Good morning, good morning, good morning.
I was glad to be.
And I thought I had paused that, but apparently I didn't. Yes. It is currently 10:08. I'm showered and my bed's made. It's Friday morning. I started the chore list on Monday. And that bed is the only thing that's been accomplished every single day. So, it's small, but you know what? It's accomplished. I'm doing it. And I'm going to keep doing it. Because if I can do that on the daily, it'll be easy to pop in one little thing. My bathroom, you want to see my bathroom? Like, it still needs a full-on clean. I think that might be today anyways, but that'll be when I get back. Amazon's supposed to be here in less than 3 hours. I'm going shopping. And Dad said if he couldn't pick up that book yesterday, he'd pick it up today. Yes, don't look at that. I have a lot of things to do. But yeah, the bathroom. I actually picked up that towel to put it on the side of the tub. However, I was like, no, I gotta do laundry because I'm running out of clothes. But that's going into the tub. Considering the only thing I have to do is pull out the trash. And no, I'm not showing you the trash. Technically, that's 2 accomplished. I didn't have to clean it on day 2 or day 3. And I don't have to tidy today. But like I said, I think today is Actually, bathroom wash day? Clean bathroom. Wash sheets and towels. That's something I want to attempt in the tub. It's gonna be disgusting. Yes, that's pink because it's a girl light. Dollarama, $4. So that's today. I'm going to finish getting ready because my hair's still wet and needs to be brushed. Then I'm going to do a few chores. I'm not cleaning that bathroom until after I get back because I'm not going out in bathroom cleaned clothes. Yeah. It's one of those things that I'd sooner wash my body off after. Yeah. It's gonna be a good day. My head is killing me. I'm going back to bed. It's still fairly early. It's about 11:30. So, Amazon's in. I was recording a clip on my iPhone when it died, so I don't know if it's there. So I might have to redo it. I'll deal with it later. You know? At least in Dreamland, it doesn't hurt. So my Amazon came in. I guess my head hurts. I'm going back to bed for an hour. I'm hoping it works. But yeah. This is what I bought. That's it. Just a simple little case for my old Samsung. It's a Samsung S10e that I had before. I got the iPhone, which I shouldn't have gotten. But here we are. Yeah. Still have to pay for it for another over a year. And then I have to pay $550 for it. Just me. They didn't explain it properly. Because if I'd have known I was going to have to pay another $550. It's time to do. I'm feeling better. And I'm ready to go. Grocery list is on the iPhone. Honey, I'm home. Who am I kidding? You're the only ones who are here for me. Now that was a walk. But I didn't have to stop. And I had two massively heavy bags. Like, I believe it's the one in the back. It has an entire jug of vinegar in it. So, things are getting easier. They're getting better. Except financially, I spent quite a bit of money today. I'm not too happy about the chicken though. 3 legs of chicken for over $6. But you'll see that in the haul. I got a better deal than something else. Yeah, you win some, you lose some, I guess. But since I had to ask for some because there was nothing out, I kind of felt bad if I didn't take a pack. But it'll feed me. I can't complain too much. That's a sandwich bag. I have already dated it. That's 1 mushroom. 1 mushroom. You can make things go so much further if you cut it up. I've been doing this since I was on welfare. Here in Ontario, it's called Ontario Works. And people who are on disability, who are getting twice as much money as I would wonder how I could have fresh bread all month long. And I tell them, chop and freeze. You chop it and you freeze it. When you want some, you take some, like a handful or 2 out, you throw it in whatever you want to use it, and you're good to go. They were flabbergasted because they'd buy everything they needed at the beginning of the month and then find that within a week or so they didn't have a chance to get through it and it would all be gone. So save yourself some money. Buy it reduced like I did. Chop and freeze. 1 mushroom tray. 2 sandwich baggies. It adds up. And it's all stuff that I don't have to eat within the next 24 hours. 8 meals of ground pork. It's cheaper than ground beef right now, so I went with it. The one that's not in the bags for dinner tonight. 3 legs of chicken, 6 meals. I gotta cut it down. It's too expensive. So it came in today. It's not in the box. I already took it out. I will show it to you, but it's just a Vudia Products Premium Slim Fit phone case. It's lightweight, soft touch, slim fit. And then there's Connect with Us. There is a warranty on it for 12 months. So that's not bad. Yeah. It's for the Galaxy S10e, which is my older phone, which I'm back to my older phone because my phone doesn't cut it. Yeah. So yeah, it just came in that box. Nothing fancy. I paid $12.42 with taxes. This is all it is, just a secure case. It fits snug. And it fits comfortably on the phone. It's $12.42 with taxes and delivery from Amazon. It's going on 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna go head to bed. Ads, they come and go as they please. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night and God bless.